In the heart of a kingdom where magic danced on every breeze, a peculiar problem popped up. A tiny dragon named Bubbles had a sneezing fit that sent streams of shimmering soap bubbles into the sky instead of the expected fiery breath. It all began when Bubbles, as curious as ever, sniffed a mysterious flower in the enchanted garden. The whole kingdom gathered, giggling, as the dragon's hiccup-like sneezes filled the air with floating orbs, each one carrying a rainbow's worth of colors. Knights tried to look stern, but their armor clanged with laughter, and even the wise old wizard, who knew a thing or two about spells gone awry, chuckled heartily. The king, seeing his subjects' joy, declared Bubbles the official jester of the realm. As Bubbles twirled and sneezed another eruption of bubbles, the kingdom sparkled with happiness, realizing that sometimes, the most unexpected magic is the kind that fills your heart.